Guys, Mr. Alan C here, checking out an all perspectives induction lamp, and this is pretty cool. This is a headlamp. Let's see what's in the box. This is what it looks like, the packaging. Let's pull it open. So what do we have in the box? We have a cable to recharge it. It's USB to Type-C for fast charging. We have the headlamp itself, and this has got like a rubber feel to it with what appears to be LEDs. The headlamp itself, and adjustments right here for the straps so you can get the right fit. Now let's feel the strap out. This is elastic, so it stretches to fit your melon. Additionally, these are included. These can connect to the strap, and then I guess you'd have the option to hang things off it if you wanted. On the top here, I see a power button and what I can only describe as what looks like a Wi-Fi button. Hey guys, this thing is ginormous. I'm pretty confident this will fit one of the biggest heads that people have out there, so that's a good thing. So this light will work 2.5 to 8 hours. There's a sensor on the right side, and when I wave right here, it's going to turn it on. If I see a bear, I'm like, oh no, and I'm in a cave, boom, turns it off. If I'm exploring and I'm sneaking up on a bad guy or something, and then I want to surprise him, surprise! Loving the different light modes. You can turn that induction on and off with that switch. That's the switch that looks like a Wi-Fi button. And we have them different brightnesses and the main spotlight with different brightnesses as well. So yeah, man, I think this is a winner. Now, if I hold in that power button, you're going to get the emergency flashes. Can you really need help? You could do that. People would see you for sure. I mean, everything's just lit up like there's a light bulb above me. This is pretty cool, guys. Ah, what's that? Just a raccoon. But yeah, absolutely loving this. Thanks for checking it out with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.